In this video, you'll learn how to add Dogecoin to your OKX wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate Dogecoin into your cryptocurrency assets, allowing you to manage it alongside your other tokens. Begin by opening the OKX wallet extension in your web browser. Ensure that you have the extension installed and active. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your wallet where you can view your current assets. Next, locate and click on the Assets tab, which is typically situated on the left side of the interface. This action will display a list of all the cryptocurrencies currently held in your wallet. It is essential to ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. After this, look for the option labeled Manage Crypto or Add Token. This option is generally found near the top of the Assets section. Tapping on this will open a new window where you can add additional cryptocurrencies to your wallet. In the search box that appears, type either Doge or dogecoin. As you enter the name, the wallet will begin to filter the available tokens. You should see Dogecoin listed among the search results. It is important to ensure you are selecting the correct token to avoid any confusion with similar names. Once you see Dogecoin in the results, tap the plus add button next to it. This action will initiate the process of adding Dogecoin to your wallet. After a brief moment, the system will confirm that the token has been successfully added. Finally, go back to the Assets tab in your wallet. You should now see Dogecoin listed among your other cryptocurrencies. This confirms that you have successfully added Dogecoin to your OKX wallet, and you can now manage it alongside your existing assets. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.